everyone, welcome to this update video this morning. I really do hope that you're doing amazing, and we're going to get into the details in regards to what is currently going on across the Caribbean. So we've got a surge in moisture, and that's been resulting in a lot of heavy rain across areas such as Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, and even a couple of spots in Hispaniola towards Central America, southern Central America as well. We see that blob just offshore Panama. So there's been a lot of moisture within this general area. A frontal system is still making its way down, and it has been bringing some cooler temperatures to parts of the Western Caribbean, even up to the Bahamas as well. So we're going to be looking at all the details. So we can see that blob this morning likely resulting in some showers and even thunderstorms in sections of Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, passing showers mostly for the Lesser Antilles. Nothing crazy going on, but a moisture moving through the vicinity of the ABC Islands as well. Now the frontal boundary, let's go on to the surface chart here where we can see that where that boundary is. So that frontal boundary extends into the Caribbean. So it has passed Cuba, it's moving past Jamaica, and even going towards Central America. It stalls just to the in the northern portion of Honduras thereabout. And behind that boundary is a mass of cooler air. Some cool dry air has been moving down with it. So looking at this temperature anomaly map here, we can see the forecast for around 12 p.m. or so today. Later today, going to the afternoon hours, we can see these blue shadings indicating cooler than normal temperatures. We can see that for areas such as Bermuda, parts of eastern North America, and even as we head towards the Bahamas, Cuba, the Cayman Islands, Jamaica, Central America, we can see these blue shadings. So yes, that cooler air mass is behind that frontal boundary. And looking at this dry air map, where we see more of those oranges, the reds as well, the more vibrant colors indicate areas where there's a lot of drier air. So that frontal boundary would be somewhere just off right here. So we can see all of that drier air coming down behind it. A surface trough still extends into parts of the Northeast Caribbean. So that is what is helping out to influence the moisture and all that rainfall activity within the area. Speaking of, let's go on to the rainfall forecast for today, and here we can see what is anticipated. So we can see some of these more colorful shadings which indicate higher rainfall amounts. We can see that for parts of Central America. Go into the Bay Islands, northern Honduras, there's a bit of moisture within this area right here, so there's likely to be quite a bit of rainfall activity today. And with all the rainfall expected, there could be instances of flooding, and there may have even been some instances of flooding. You can let me know what's happening for you, but should in case you encounter any flood waters, please do not take any unnecessary risks. Headed to other areas as well, such as Costa Rica, Panama, the islands of San Andres, Providencia. Also seen that it's colorful there. And then for other parts of Central America, maybe some passing showers around at times. Going to South America, Colombia, parts of Venezuela as well, it may be a little bit active with some heavy downpours across a couple spots today. For the Guyanas, so Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana, there may be some instances of heavy rain. Going towards the Lesser Antilles, we see a couple of these green shadings around, some passing showers, mostly coming in from the east. Similar thing possible for the ABC Islands. There is some moisture that's moving through that area. And then we see a bit more color as we head to the vicinity of Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, and even parts of Hispaniola. So again, there could be quite a bit of rainfall in a couple of spots. For Jamaica, especially in the east, there could be some rainfall today for sure. Cayman Islands, a whole lot of rain not expected. Things should gradually be on the drier side for Cuba, much of the Bahamas, Turks and Caicos, as well as for parts of the Florida Peninsula. So that is what is anticipated today in terms of the rainfall activity. Again, that frontal system is making its way down into the region, and there's that cooler air coming in. And another cool down is anticipated as we're going to be heading to the new year. So that's something that we want to be keeping an eye on as well. I'll definitely be keeping you guys updated on that. But I just wanted to give you a general idea of what is happening right now. So what I spoke about yesterday has been coming to fruition in terms of the cool down setting in this morning. And yeah, we got that. So I'll be keeping you guys posted as necessary, and I really do hope that you found this update to be very informative. However, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments. I'll get to you when I have a chance to do so. And remember to always be weatherwise.